Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just going to show you a little bit about this product. So this is a red light, so it's for use with a camera or camcorder. So it's got a hot shoe mount on the bottom, so you can attach this to most cameras and most video cameras. And also there's rigs that you get that hold your phone or camera that also attach additional devices. This will fit on that as well. It takes one square volt 9 battery, and there is a switch to turn it on and off here. And you've got four bright red LEDs. So this is used in ghost hunts. It doesn't have, I believe, any purpose other than giving your video or pictures a really cool and creepy look. So it won't actually improve the amount of evidence you get. But if you're uploading your videos to YouTube or whatever, it does make for a more spooky video and for dramatic effect. I'll leave the product, a link to purchase the product in the video description, and thanks for watching.